In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close or delete an agency in Upwork. If you've decided an agency is no longer needed, the platform gives you a straightforward way to shut it down. Closing an agency removes its profile, team structure, and ability to receive new work through that entity, while your individual freelancer account remains untouched. You'll generally need to be the agency owner or have the proper permissions. And if Upwork detects things like active contracts, pending proposals, or a remaining balance, it may ask you to resolve those first before you can proceed. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork, then click the official Upwork website in the results. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed into the account that manages the agency you want to close. At the top right of the page, click your profile image or initials to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This brings you to the centralized settings area, where you can control both personal and agency-level preferences. Within Settings, look for Agency Settings and select it. This section is dedicated to your agency's details. If you happen to manage more than one agency, double-check you're viewing the correct one before continuing. On the Agency Settings page, find the option labeled Close My Agency and click it. Upwork will display a notice explaining what closure means. Read this carefully so you understand the impact. Team members will no longer be associated under the agency profile won't appear in searches, and clients won't be able to send new invitations to that agency. A confirmation window will appear to finalize your choice. Click Confirm to complete the process. If there are any blockers, Upwork will tell you what needs attention, address any indicated items, and return to the agency settings page to try again. When confirmation succeeds, the closure is immediate, and you may receive an email summarizing the change. Remember, this action applies only to the agency. Your personal freelancer account, history, and messages remain accessible as usual. That's it. You navigated from Google to Upwork, opened your profile menu, went into Account Settings, moved to Agency Settings, chose Close My Agency, and confirmed. Take a moment to ensure this is really what you want, and consider exporting any records you may need for your files beforehand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently close an agency on Upwork.